Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial we'll be looking at a beginner-friendly, easy-to-use CRM as I will be showing you how to use Salesflare CRM. To get started, all you need to do, once on their website, you're going to tap on Try It for free. And you will be able to try Salesflare for free for 30 days. After you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on the dashboard, all I want you to do now is go down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to see a plus. So you're going to tap on the plus. Once you have tapped on the plus, you can see all the options right here. So for instance, if you would like to create a contact, you can simply tap on create contact. So let's do that real quick. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you can enter the contact's information. So you can add their full name, first name, last name, and all of the necessary information as you can see right there. Now after you have done that, you will tap on create, and to view all your contacts, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you would tap on contacts. After you have tapped on contacts, you could tap on my contacts from the top left hand corner, and once you have tapped on my contacts, you will see all of your contacts right here. Now another thing that I want you to do is by tapping on tasks in the top left hand corner, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to add your first task. So let's say for example my first task is to create a YouTube video. I could type that in right here. After you have done that, you will tap on add, and then you can also see right there it has added the time that this task was created. And you, by tapping on the three dots in line with the task, you can tap on complete when you have completed the task. If you would like to make any changes, you could tap on edit, and if you would like to assign this task to someone else, you could tap on assign, and from there you will be able to search for a team member that you would like to assign the task to. Or you can simply, once you have typed out the task, you could tap on the contact icon to assign it to a team member. Another thing that you can also do using this platform, by going over to the right hand menu option once more and tapping on the plus, if you would like to create an opportunity, all you will need to do is tap on create opportunity. Then from there you can fill in the account name and you can type in the opportunity name, and then from there you can select the stage that it is in, whether it is in the lead stage, contacted, qualified, proposal made, or won, and then you can fill out all of the criterias right here. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on create, and that is how you will be able to create opportunity. And to view all your opportunities, again, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap on opportunities. Then from there, you will see all of the different stages as you can see right here. And you can also tap on timeline in the top left hand corner. And from there, you'll be able to view the stages and the timeline. And if we were to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the three dots. From there, if you would like to export it, you can do that. If you would like to import opportunities, you can do that. If you would like to customize the field, so if you would like to edit how it looks, you can do that by tapping on customize field. And from there, you will be redirected to settings, and from there you'll be able to customize it to your liking. So you can add more fields to it if you want, or you can remove fields. And by the way, by going into this section, you will be able to manage your team by tapping on manage team in the top left hand corner. From there, you'll be able to manage your team. You can also scroll down, and if you are on their paid plan, you'll be able to set permissions. And if there's any changes that you'd like to make to your pipelines, you can do that by tapping on configure pipelines, and you can see all of the changes that you can make right here. Now let's go back to the left hand menu option and we are going to tap on workflows. By tapping on workflows, you'll be redirected to a new dashboard. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and we're going to tap on create workflow. Once you have tapped on create workflow, you will be redirected to this page, and all you need to do now, you could tap on add step. After you have tapped on add step, you can see send an email. So you can see you can add the workflow name right there. So let's say I would like to call the workflow test. After you have done that, you can select an individual contact if you want. Then you can select the goal. So you can see the goal right here. Contact opens any email, contact clicks on any email, contact replies to any email. You can select any one of these goals. Then you can see exit if the goal is met. And from there, you can also select the amount of days. So whether you want it to be within 30 days, then you can set it as live immediately. Then from there, you can also schedule it. So send between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you can schedule the days that you would like to send the email. And after I've selected another step, from here I could add the emails. So I could type in the email that I would like to send. And if I would like to send a follow-up email, all I would need to do is tap on add step. And from there, I'll be able to send another email if I want. And that's how you'll be able to create a workflow. And you can tap on set live for it to go live in the top right hand corner. Once you have made all your changes, you can tap on save to save the changes. Now I will tap on cancel and I will go back. So let's discard this. Now we are going to go over to the left hand menu option once more. And from here, you'll be able to view all your insights. So by tapping on insights, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And on this dashboard, you'll be able to monitor all of your goals, expected revenues, and so much more. So you can view everything on this one dashboard. And you can also change the timeline by tapping on year. So you can customize it to which region you would like to view, as you can see right there. And you can also tap on add report if you would like to add a report. So if I were to tap on that, I would be redirected to this page. But to create a report, I would need to be on the pro plan, as you can see right here. And by the way, to go on the pro plan is not expensive. For if I were to type on pricing right here, you can see that the estimated price, let's do that real quick. The estimated price starts off at $29 per month, and with their $29 per month plan, you'll be able to automate your CRM data input. You'll also be able to track emails, links, and website visits. You will get a LinkedIn sidebar, email sidebar, and mobile app. And you'll also be able to send personalized email campaigns, and you'll get 25 email finding credits. And their most expensive plan, which is the enterprise plan, costs $99 per month. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.